Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group K. Want to presentation about Calm Green Golf and Country Club Accounting Cycle Analysis. October 2024 Financial Statements. Accounting Business Case Study for Week 8. My name is Arasharen Fadali, and the name is 104012400289.
And my name is Kania, and my name is 104012400229.
And my name is Azel with name 104012400186.
And my name is Ulfa Nabila Khairani, and the name is 104012400081.
And the agenda is introduction, methodology, application of the 9 accounting cycle step, financial highlight, and closing. And the first is introduction. Calm Green Golf and Country Club, an exclusive golf and recreational facility in Padalarang, serve its member with a premier golf course and social amenities. The club generates revenue through course rentals and membership while managing operational costs such as salaries, rent, and asset depreciation. This case study analyzed the club's accounting cycles for October 2024, focusing on including the income statement, focusing on recording transaction, making adjustment, and preparing financial statements, including the income statement, balance sheet, owner equity statement, and cash flow statement for the period ending October 31 and 2024. By applying accounting principle, the analysis aims to evaluate the club's financial performance and provide insight into its operational efficiency.
And next is methodology. The study employs a quantitative approach to analyze the financial transaction and adjustments of Calm Green Golf and Country Club for October 2024, ensuring systematic preparation of financial statements, including general journals, trial balance, and adjusted finance reports, transaction data, and adjustment entries as of October 31, 2024, serve as the primary data source supporting the complete accounting cycle from journalizing to financial statements preparation. Microsoft Excel is utilized as the primary tool for recording journals, calculating balance, and generating structured financial statements. Additionally, qualitative analysis is applied to interpret the financial results and provide insights into the club's operational performance and efficiency.
Next, 9 step of accounting cycle. The first step is analyze ALE. ALE is asset equal to liabilities and plus equity. In asset include cash, account receivable, supplies, prepaid insurance, and equipment. In liabilities include account payable, unearned revenue, and prepaid rent. And in equity include capital, drawings, revenue, and expense. The final totals on both debit and credit sides are for $44,000, indicating that the journal entries are balanced. Next, General Journal. The General Journal of Calm Green Golf and Country Club for the month of October 2024 records all the financial transactions in chronological order. Mrs. Na totaling $30,000 in the form of cash, account receivable, supplies, and equipment. The club also made prepaid payments such as rent and insurance record as asset because they provide future economic benefits. Next, general ledger. The general ledger summarizes the effect of journal entries on each individual account, cash begins with the capital contribution and fluctuates throughout the months due to collection from receivable, payments for expense, and withdrawals. Account receivable is tracked customer balance from credit service and receipts. Service revenue totals $23,450 for the month, indicating a strong service activity. Expense is salaries, utilities, advertising, insurance, and depreciation are recorded systematically, helping assess the operational cost structure.
Okay, I will be presenting the trial balance of Calm Green Golf and Country Club as of October 31, 2024. A trial balance is a statement that lists all the general ledger account balance of a business at a specific point in time. It helps ensure that the total debits equal the total credits, which confirms that the books are mathematically correct. In the assets include there's cash 20,100, and then accounts receivables 3,400, and three supplies 2,200, and then prepared for 1,800, and then prepaid insurance 1,800, and the last assets is equipment 14,500, and then there's liabilities, accounts payable 8,000. The second, unearned revenue 5,000, and number three, owner's equity. There Miss capital 3,000 in credit. The second, Miss Nas drawings 6,000 in debit. Then revenues, service revenue there 20,950 in credit, and then expense there's advertising expense 1,200, and salaries expense 1,500, and the last expense is utilities expense 30,000. As you can see at the bottom of the statement, the total debits equal is 56,750, and the total credits also equal 56,750, which confirms that the books are balanced. This trial balance form the basis for preparing the financial statements such as the income statement and balance sheet. And then next, in this slide, we will look at the adjusting journal entries for Calm Green Golf and Country Club as of October 31, 2024. Adjusting entries are made at the end of the accounting period to ensure that all revenues and expense are recorded in the period in which they are incurred. Number one, there's insurance expense. We recorded 30,000 as an insurance expense. The second test is matched by a credit to prepaid insurance for the same amount, showing that a portion of the prepaid insurance has now been used. Then supplies expense, we have 8,550 worth of supplies were used, recorded as supplies expense. The second, the supplies account is reduced by 80,500 to reflect what has been consumed. And then depreciation expense or equipment. The depreciation expense of 30,300 is recorded. This is matched with a credit to accumulated depreciation, which keeps track of the equipment's loss in value over time. And salaries expense, we have 1,200 is recorded as a salaries expense. The second, since it is unpaid, a liability is created by crediting salaries payable. And rent expense, we have 1,600 of rent expense. The second, the prepaid rent account is decreased by the same amount to reflect the rent that has now been used. And the last one, unearned revenue. We have 2,500 of previously unearned revenue is now earned. The second, the unearned revenue is debit and service revenue is credit to reflect actual earned income. So in total, the adjusting interest balance with both total debits and credits equal to 335,370, which ensures our accounting remains accurate and in line with the accrual basis of accounting. Thank you. Next.
In this slide, I'm gonna present about the adjusted trial balance. So the adjusted trial balance here shows that Calm Green Golf and Country Club has a cash balance of $22,100, indicating limited liquidity, which aligns with which means that the clubs need to improve cash reserves for operational sustainability. Current assets like accounts receivable is $3,400. Supplies is $1,350. Prepaid rent is $3,200, and prepaid insurance is $500 support day-to-day operations but are relatively small compared to liabilities. The equipment value of $14,500 is heavily offset by accumulated depreciation of $330,000, suggesting significant wear on fixed assets or a potential overstatement of depreciation, which we note might require reevaluations. Liabilities include accounts payable is $800, salaries payable is $120, and unearned revenue for $2,500, totaling that is $3,420, which are manageable but indicate short-term obligations. Mrs. Na's capital stands at $30,000, but her drawings of $6,000 reduced her equity stake. Surface revenue of $23,450 reflects decent operational activity but high expenses, such as depreciation expense is three $330, salaries expense $1,620, and rent expense $1,600. Next. And now I'm going to talk about the income statement. This income statement reveals that Calm Green Golf and Country Club generated $23,450 in service revenue, a reasonable amount for a small-scale operation, indicating steady demand for its golf and recreational services. However, total expense of $334,820 far exceed revenue, leading to a significant net loss of $370. Primary driver of this loss is depreciation expense of $330,000, which, as we discussed previously, appears unusually high for a club of this size and may suggest an error in calculation or an aggressive depreciation policy. Other expenses, including salaries, $1,620, rent of $1,600, supplies is $850, utilities for $330, insurance for $300, and advertising for $120 are relatively modest but still contribute to the financial strain. This performance underscores the club operational inefficiency, particularly in managing fixed assets costs, and highlights the urgent need for cost control measures to achieve profitability. Next. Next is owner's equity statement. So the owner's equity statement shows that Misna began with a capital investment of $30,000, reflecting her initial commitment to the club. However, the substantial net loss of $311,370 from operations, driven by high depreciation as noted in the income statement, drastically reduced her equity to a negative $281,370 before drawings. After accounting for her withdrawal of $6,000, this negative equity positive, which we previously identified as a sign of financial instability, indicates that the club's liabilities exceed its assets, largely due to the operational loss. It highlights the critical needs for Mrs. Na to address the club's cost structure and revenue generation strategies to restore a positive equity position and ensure long-term viability. Next. The balance sheet highlights severe financial distress with total assets as a negative $285 for $450,000, current assets like cash for $22,100, and prepaid insurance for $3,200 indicate low liquidity. Equipment for $14,500 is offset by accumulated depreciations of $330,000, driving the negative assets total, which, as we've noted, seems unusually high and may be an error. Total liabilities of $3,420, including accounts payable $800 and unearned revenue for $2,500 $500 are manageable. Owner's equity is at to $287,370 due to a large net loss and drawings, signaling instability. This negative position underscores the need to address depressions and improve revenue to restore financial health.
In the trial balance, this column reflects the balance of all accounts before adjustment are met. Adjustment days entries are made to account for items such as depreciation, prepaid expenses, and accrued liabilities, ensuring the record follow the accrual basis of accounting. Adjust trial balance after incorporating adjustment. These columns show the updated balance of each account, ready to be used in financial statement preparation. An income statement column is revenue and expense account are extended here to calculate the net profit or loss. In this case, total revenue are 23,400 $2,345 and total expenses are 3,137 31,000 and 30,70 $100, resulting in a net loss. Balance sheet columns are assets, liability, capital, and drawing are listed here. The net loss of 7,920 will reduce the owner equity. In the table above, present the closing interest of Calm Green Golf and Country Club as of October 21, 2024. The first entry closes the surface revenue account by debiting it for $23,050 and crediting income summary for the same amount. The second entry involved closing all individual expense account. This include utilities, advertising, depreciation, insurance, rent, salaries, and supplies expenses. Each of these account is credit for its balance and income summary is debit for the total of 334,820. After calculating the net income, revenue, expenses, the balance in the income summary account is transferred to Ms. Na's capital account. In this case, the income in the income summary account is credited for 311,370 and Ms. Na's capital account is debit for the same amount. Finally, Ms. Na's drawing account is closed by crediting it for 6,000 and debiting Ms. Na's capital account. The total debits are and credit in the closing interest amount to 675,640, ensuring the account are properly balanced. And this trial balance show the ending balance of real accounts, which include assets, liabilities, and equity. In the debit column, there are balance of accounts such as cash, receivable, inventories, prepared rent, prepared interest, and equipment, showing total assets of 46,500 and meanwhile, in the credit column are accumulated depreciation and equipment, account payable, salaries payable, income received in advance, and misnas capital, reflective liabilities, and equity with a total credit balance 33,334,220. And this balance sheet insert all debit and credit balance are balanced, reflecting the completeness of the accounting process after closing. The main function of this post-closing trial balance is to prepare the company for the new accounting period. Nominal accounts such as income and expenses have been closed, leaving only permanent accounts. As such, this table provides a clear picture of Calm Green Golf and Country Club financial position, including its liquidity and capital structure, which can be used as a basis for making financial and operational decisions going forward. And the cash flow statement of Calm Green Golf and Country Club as October 31, 2025, 2024, the total cash received from customer amount to $20.50. The cash payment for operating expenses, including advertising, salaries, rent, insurance, supplies, and utilities, total $6,030,200. And after deducting these expenses, the net cash provided by operating activities. This positive cash flow indicates that the club is generating sufficient cash from its day-to-day operation. The club purchased equipment worth $14,500, which represents a cash outflow. As a result, the net cash used in investing activities. This reflects the company's investment in its operational capacity. There was a cash inflow of $30,000 from the owner's investment. Meanwhile, the owner drawing total 6,000 and representing a cash outflow. The net cash provided by financing activity $24,000, and this positive figure indicates strong financial support from the owner. And the total net increase in cash during the period in 20 $22,100. Since there was no beginning cash balance on October 1, 2024, the ending cash balance as of October 31, 2024 is 22,100.
That's all step of accounting cycle. That's on the finding in this report. Congreen Golf and Country Club incurred a significant financial loss in October 2024. The club's main income came from course rental service, which generate revenue of $23,450. However, high operating expense, especially on asset depreciation of three three hun- 3,020 $330,000, led to a net loss of three 311,370. This show that while revenue was good for a small scale operation, the management of operating expense, particularly those related to fixed asset, require future evaluation. Going forward, the company needs to improve cost efficiency, maximize liquidity, and decide better asset management strategy to achieve a more stable and profitable financial condition.
And that's all of the presentation from Group K. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Insya Allah.